Hello everyone, welcome to An American in the Philippines. I would like to say thank you to all of the people that have subscribed to my channel and view my videos. And if you are watching this and are not a subscriber to my channel, I would really appreciate you considering subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos on your social media. Thank you.
To the right side.
can't take the motorcycle.
Ano na ito, parang motorcycle.
Just pull up beside him.
Pero sa entrance fee ka ulit. Duha ra kay nya nagmotor mi.
Walay taga-Bohol eh, duha?
Ha?
Walay taga-Bohol.
Taga Bohol ko.
Residence ID lang tama, kanay discount ang Bohol.
So pati ay wala ka kada.
200 na to.
Nya nagmotor man mi mga pero nagmotor mi kami rin.
Narami siya. Wala na kay small bill na ma'am, isa ka dito. Gami sa rin na yung may duman po. 2 minutes po. Senior, kaso hindi ka ganito. Pero wala naman kung limit yung oras. Tapos may restaurant sa loob. Okay na no, sa amin naman.
Ito na yung pinaka-ticket.
Happy lang.
Wala na. Ato sa likod ta.
So ito lang bigay para pasukay ka.
Kata libre sa ato sa likod.
Check yan.
Ay naman yung motor. Patay parking
Walay
sa taas.
parking sa taas, ma'am. Nililata mo, shuttle na ta.
Okay, salamat. Here's the change. They said there is no parking lot over there. There is a free shuttle. We proceed to the backside.
So we got to take a shuttle.
Yes, because there is no parking lot over there. So I think we're going to bring the drone
Where do I need to park it?
over there. Okay. There you have a shuttle service. Because there is no parking lot over there. Asa man parking, sir? Oh. Go to the back side. Going.
I think it's gonna rain.
No, it's not. That one. That is.
Oh man. Leave our helmets here.
There is no parking lot over there. go. Hmm? There is a discount if I bring my ID. It's fine. Sir, ano na what, sir? Yes, you're right.
A couple of foreigners.
Yeah.
Is it turned off?
No, just wala na ba yung parkinganan nagtrafya? Sa ibabaw, wala yung parkingan. Ato ibabaw, wala na yung parkingan. Wala na yung parkingan ato ibabaw.
Shuttle na yung usod na to.
Shuttle ra. They allow shuttle, no other vehicle. Isa na kay pasilan mo to.
Dili na ron kay mag-traffic mo ko.
Mausad lagi. To avoid traffic, that's why.
If I moved in, I wouldn't have went.
Huh?
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it to your social media, and feel free to leave a comment. And as always, may you all have a blessed day. Shalom.